Before coating the nails, mechanical and chemical preparation is required. Hi everyone, my name is Victoria, I'm from Ukraine and welcome to my channel. Here you'll find everything about nails and a little bit about me. First of all, we should clean the nails. That's why we use cleanser. It's a cleaning agent used to remove dust, dirt, and oils from the nail surface. Use a lint-free wipe moistened with cleanser and gently wipe each nail plate. Then I take a lint-free wipe and wrap it around an orange stick. This is to thoroughly clean the entire surface and sinuses. The next step is dehydration. To do this, we use dehydrator. It removes moisture from the upper layers of the nail plate. I apply it to the entire nail surface, including folds. It evaporates quickly due to its anhydrous formula and does not penetrate the skin. Dehydration is a temporary effect. It slows down but doesn't stop moisture return. The last one is adhesion or bonding. It refers to the grip between the nail and the material. Adhesion is achieved by applying ultrabond or low acid primers. I apply a small amount with a rubbing motion and let it air dry for 30 seconds. After a good chemical preparation, we can proceed to coating the nails. High-quality chemical preparation reduces the risk of peeling. You'll find all the details in the description below. I hope this video was helpful. I'm looking forward to reading your comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss my next videos.